gonna get going. Take this day by storm. Gonna wake up in a new light. Next day do it some more. Damn, wake up in the morning and we're good to go. Gonna get some, hustle till done. Next day do an encore. Trying to hold us down. Can't silence it, it's what you sound. Don't realize we can't be bound. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Woo! To the heights that we can't be trained. To be fair, could you really blame us? So obvious why we famous. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Gonna rise up, gonna get going. Take this day by storm. Gonna wake up in a new light. Next day do it some more. Damn, wake up in the morning and we're good to go. Gonna get some, hustle till done. Next day do an encore.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga seniors ko katulad ni na Sir Owen, Ma'am Grace, Ma'am E, Ma'am Da, Ma'am Goldie, and Sir Taze. May mga natutunan ako sa kanila at tinulungan nila akong mag-grow. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga naging ka-projects ko at marami silang natulong din sa akin.
Bali, nung first day ko sa Full Stack, ako'y puno ng kaba at may dalang lakas ng loob kasi kailangan ko yon kasi di po ako familiar din sa Angeles, and wala din po akong kakilala. Pero ngayon, tignan nyo naman kahit papano may mga naging kaklose po ako dito and mga naging kaibigan. And more than pa nga po doon. Sobrang daming experience and lessons ang dala ko mula sa inyong lahat. Isa na po doon ang pagtutulungan ay susi sa tagumpay. Hindi ko po makakalimutan ang mga panahon na akala ko imposible, pero dahil sa teamwork natin, nagiging posible. Always remember po na it always seems impossible until it is done.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Pumasok po ako dito bilang isang OJT. Then, nung time na yon, meron na akong pinapasukan na company. Pero doon, parang feeling ko hindi ako belong doon. Hindi ako naging masaya, walang growth doon. Para bang pumapasok ka lang doon para lang sa grade mo. Merong isang time na sobrang lungkot ko, umiiyak ako, then nag-pray ako. Habang umiiyak ako, nakatulog ako. Then, pagising ko, biglang nag-pop yung Full Stack HQ. Kaya tinitake ko yung Full Stack HQ as my answered prayer. Nung nakapasok ako sa Full Stack, hindi pa rin ganun kadali. Pero na-feel ko yung care nila, Ma'am Carlet. Binibigyan nila ako ng choices. Hindi nila ako pinapabayaan. And sobrang na-appreciate ko po yun. Sana maging successful pa po yung Full Stack and alam ko malayo pa po yung mararating natin.
Short story lang, paano ako napunta sa Full Stack. November 7, 2017, my first day at Full Stack, I remember feeling nervous and afraid before coming to the office because of the new work and new people I would meet. But the people here didn't make me feel new or different. They treated me as the part of their company from day one. We always celebrate every occasion here, big or small, like the first salary, the regularization, and so on. I've been here for more than 6 years now, and this company has been witness most, if not all, the happenings in my life. I don't have advice for you guys because I know some of you are much better than me. But I just wanted to say, just be yourself. It is not just about coding. It's about learning from both failures and success, being adaptable and being think creatively. Again, thank you everyone for being part of my life here at Fullstack. Let's keep pushing boundaries, being creative, and leaving a mark that inspires others. Happy holidays and enjoy.
Take this day by storm. Gonna wake up in a new life. Next day, do some more. Damn, wake up in the morning and we're good to go. Gonna get some, hustle till done. Next day, doing our core. You know we gonna get where we're going. All we gotta do is keep rolling. Doing our core. You know we gonna get where we're going. All we gotta do is keep rolling. Next day, doing our core.
May nabilis ng panahon, no? Di ba? Dati saan kasi tayo last year? In December. O, sa bahay daw. O, sa hotel tayo, di ba? So, last year. So, ngayon, tignan nyo, natapos na agad yung isang year, eh. So, marami tayong dinaanan na challenges. Tapos, thankful ako sa nandito kayo para, thank you sa dedication and hard work. Tsaka, feeling ko parang nag-start pa lang yan, eh. By 2024, so marami akong mas malaking look forward. Tsaka for Fullstack, sana mag-grow pa tayo lalo. So mag-grow yan pag sana, basta retain natin yung mga customers and clients. Tapos, so dun ma-achieve yung growth. So yun lang, thankful ako and then marami akong excited ako talaga personally sa 2024. So nararamdaman ko na siya, good year. It's a good year for us. Thank you.